Photoshop has just released the most insane update that every photographer needs to see. It introduces generative AI within the software. Picture this, you got a photo and you want to add or change a specific object within the frame. Let's say, I wish I had worn cool sunglasses in this picture. Well, all I have to do is just draw a selection around that portion of the photo. And now I can prompt Photoshop to populate that space with a new object of my choice. So let's simply type in cool sunglasses. I can now choose from a variety of different designs, and wow, that looks quite realistic and even simulates that pink glow on the edge. You can also use this to extend your image canvas. This image was shot in vertical aspect ratio, but let's say I want it to be landscape 16:9. I just have to extend the canvas and select the blank parts. Now I simply prompt Photoshop, extend the background, hit enter, and I can choose from a number of different options. Insane, right? Here's how you can download this. Go to Creative Cloud, click on apps, and on the top left corner, scroll down to beta apps, and then simply download the beta version of Photoshop, and boom. Share it with a friend who might find this useful, and I catch you guys later.